pwede pubiti kitang sisupubiro.
Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerotics TV. Yes, it's been a long time we don't doing a reaction of video, guys. So today we have a free time to react. So let's start. Okay. So for today's video, I just want to share and react another Money4 song. And it was requested by Nandarani PH, and she wants me to react this kind of a music. Yes, this Money4 music with the title of 10 Copy. Alright, so again, I don't have any idea what's the meaning of 10 Copy. And if you know the answer, or if you know the meaning of 10 Copy, just comment down below and share it to my to my viewers that always watching my reaction of video. Alright, guys, and yes, of course, the singer here of this music is Jason Sharma, and the cast here are Bala Hejam and Abu Hejam, and this could be directed by Jason G. Alright, so before we start, guys, before we start, make sure that you're subscribing my channel again, and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video like this. Alright, guys, so let's begin, and 3, 2, and 1, let's start. Jaya Jaya Red Girls. Woo! 10 Copy. Wow! Sports car. Oh, very handsome guy. Oh! Ooh. I like the voice of the singer here, Jason. I like your voice. Wow. I saw this lady before. Yeah. She is so beautiful, guys. Yeah. No doubt this girl, she's always in my reaction of video, guys. Wow. Look at her. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at her hair. Very curly. Yeah. They're both compatible, guys. I love this acoustic here. Wow. Woo. Did you like the music, guys? Yes. Enjoy the music, guys. Enjoy the music, even though you can understand the music, just listen only, guys. Money for Song is number 1, guys. Music. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the expression of this guy. Wow, look at her smile. She's so beautiful, guys. The guy here, guys, he's so young. He's so young artist here. Oh my goodness. That's all? Oh, wow. Directed by Jason G. Yeah, I like the voice of the singer here, Jason Sharma. Yes. Okay, copy. Alright, guys. So that's it for today again, guys. Another Money for Song. Wow, I love it, guys. This kind of music, or this Money for Music. You know, guys, when it comes music, Money for Song, that I just want to suggest to all of you guys, even though yes, to my viewers there, even though you can understand or you don't understand the language, but if you hear the music, guys, yes, I'm really sure that, guys, that you are you like it and you love it, this kind of a music. If you want to listen and watch some different kinds of Money for Love song, I just want to suggest to visit or to subscribe the official YouTube channel of Tanta. Yes, because that channel, guys, they always uploading different kinds of Money for Song. Yes, and that channel also, I'm taking videos to react every day here in my channel. So I just want to thank also to Tanta, that they always me to allowing me to react their newly and freshly music video. So please visit and subscribe the channel of Tanta. Alright, guys, so before I end this reaction of video, guys, I just want to shout out my friends here in here in Qatar, my co-promoter and my friend Batang Yakan. Alright, so yes, Loads, here is your request to shout out your name or your channel. So guys, if you want to visit the YouTube channel of Batang Yakan, you can subscribe it to his YouTube channel. And of course, my special one, or my loved ones there in Philippines, my wife and my son Rowena Magday, and to my son, my handsome my handsome son, Rat Dixel Maniklang. Alright, so shout out to all of you guys, And yes, I just want to shout out also my my full supportives, fellow viewers there in Northeast India. Here is your name. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy and you like it, my reaction of video for today's guys. And before we go, for those new to my channel guys, please click that subscribe button and hit that bell button to update you guys for all my latest newly and freshly uploaded videos every day, or I'm sorry, not every day, but if I have only a free time guys. So thank you so much guys, and I love you all. God bless you. Bye.